Lord's Sign Assembly Adhesives are one of the many high-performance products we offer our customers designed to ensure an aesthetically pleasing finish, reduce cycle time, and cut back on overall costs. Sign designers choose our versatile and durable adhesive solutions for their many advantages over welding and mechanical fastening. They bond to similar materials, provide improved appearance, insulate against galvanic corrosion, offer excellent environmental resistance, and have the strength to withstand the powder coating process up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit without degradation. Compared to other fastening products, Lord's Sign Assembly Adhesives reduce costs, assembly time, and waste, and increase job estimate accuracy, longevity, and customer satisfaction. Not only that, our UL-approved adhesives have been evaluated and certified under the adhesive program of UL 746C. An extensive portfolio means a solution for almost every job. With nearly 24 products across 4 categories, we are a one-stop shop addressing a broad range of customers' needs. Lord's Sign Assembly Adhesives can be used for countless applications such as metal frame assembly, channel letter assembly, bonding to large external surfaces with tight tolerances, laminating, bonding studs, cladding, sealing, and so much more. Whether you are interested in the cost and time-saving benefits, the convenience and versatility of an extensive portfolio, or elevating your product's quality, Lord's Sign Assembly Adhesives is the solution you've been looking for. Learn more at lord.com/sign.